Are you foodie person? You like to eat?
Obviously, I'm fat. I like to eat.
Same here. I'm very much foodie. I really like to eat. What type of food you like to eat?
My favorite food is brisket, which is like smoked. You know what brisket is?
What is it? Is like
Oh gosh, it's cow. I know that much. They smoke it and they slice it, and it's really good. I guess beef
oh you
would
like
be
it's
like
my
I
favorite.
like steak.
It's my favorite.
Yes,
Beef, my favorite. Beef with
yes,
biryani. Do you
definitely.
know biryani?
I don't. I feel like I've heard that before, but I don't know what that means.
It's dish of rice. Biryani. It's a dish of rice.
Rice. Okay, yeah.
I really love to eat that. Beef and biryani. Its combination is awesome.
So I don't want to sound stupid right now. I know that this is like an Asian food, like broccoli beef. Do you know what
Yeah,
broccoli beef?
yeah.
Is that different or not?
Different.
Yes.
It's different, but beef
Okay.
with biryani is delicious.
I'm gonna have to try it.
Yeah, you should. And are you a traveler? I mean, you like to travel?
I would love to travel, but I don't have the funds to do that. So I mainly stay where I'm at. One day
Yeah,
when I'm
one day.
in a financial position to do that, yes, I would love to.
I really like to traveling. Uh, I have a plan in next years or not. I'm not sure, but I want to visit some beautiful countries. Possible, I would like to go
What is your
America.
number one place you want to
America first.
America?
Yeah, because I have so many friends
Oh,
from America. We meet in this platform, and I meet especially Winona.
mm-hmm.
She is my good friend, so I want to meet her. And she also want to
That's a great goal to have.
visit Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh, and she also want to visit
Mm-hmm.
my country. How many countries are you
Well, hopefully,
visited?
I hope it'll. Oh, I've never been out of America.
Okay, what you want or not?
I do,
Okay. Same here. I'm not
but I'm
visit
poor.
any other country, but I want.
Yes. So let's just manifest that right now. We're gonna put that out into the universe. We're gonna manifest us traveling to the countries that we would like to travel to.
Yeah. Also, if you want to traveling, you have to money. This is the big issue now in my situation.
Bingo. Yes, same here.
If I earn some money, I definitely try to visit some countries, especially America.
hmm